It's about to end automatically. Now I'm just going to wait a few seconds until the fan turns off and the noises stop. Alright, now after I open it, I would take my food out, whatever, and nothing works. And it will remain completely non-functional for the next 7 to 8 minutes, after which time nothing changes, but finally if I remove the basket, then it resets. But I have to wait 7 or 8 minutes. Or I can unplug it and plug it back in, and that also works to reset it. But obviously I would like to be able to use it immediately. Thank you.
Ooh, someone farted. Damn, who was that, you?
No, I'm not gonna lie, man.
What?
Because you just yawned.
Uh-huh.
I thought that was your breath. It was that initial